So we have a viewer who wants to address the co-op provision of the tax bill. He's concerned about it. I think he characterizes it as totally messed up. Any way to fix it? I just read the questions. I don't evaluate them.
What he's talking about is
tell our viewers what he's talking about.
He's talking about Section 199. You know what that is?
I don't.
Okay. Well, and back in 2003, we had a WTO dispute over tariffs that we had put on products that were competing with American production. Okay? Kind of what we're going through now with what's being, it was done on the WTO and we lost. We had a tariff on, and the WTO said you can't do that. So we had to give up the tariff. So what they did is they took the amount of the tariff and they turned it into a tax credit. And they gave this tax credit to everybody that produced American products, whether it be farm products, whether it be manufacturing, whatever it is. So that's been around since 2004. In the tax bill in December, they got rid of it in the House. Now the co-ops didn't get anything out of the tax bill. The corporations got a tax cut, other people got a tax cut. The co-ops didn't get anything. But they were getting $2 billion a year in their co-ops on this 199. So they created a fuss and said, you know, we got to keep this. So they came up with a new 199 deduction for co-ops that said that if you do business with a co-op, you can deduct 20% of the gross sales that you do with the co-op. So if you're a farmer and you sell to a co-op $1 million, you get a $200,000 tax deduction, 20%. Well, no farmer makes 20%. So what that means, they never pay tax again. They screwed up. They screwed it up. And the reason they screwed it up is they used the terminology per unit retains. They used patronage dividends, which was the right terminology, but they added per unit retains, and I think they did that thinking they were covering all their bases. But per unit retains relate to gross income, which is what caused this 20% thing.
They should have asked the CPA about this.
Yeah, well, yeah, so I got drug into this because I'm a CPA, and I used to do co-op accounting, okay? And I was the only guy in Congress that knew this. And I was, so I hadn't voted for the tax bill. Anyway, so so I go over and meet with the co-ops, and they weren't getting any place, and I offered some suggestions. And Cargill and ADM and these private elevators were going nuts because they were going to lose business. If you're a farmer, you do business with a co-op if you get a 220% deduction, right? So it was going to change the marketplace. And I went to the co-op. I said, "You guys, you can't defend this. It's not defensible." So we tried to come up with. I tried to help them come up with something more reasonable. So what ended up happening at the end is they now have tilted the playing field towards the private. So in some cases, if you do business with Land O'Lakes, Southern Minnesota Beet Sugar, American Crystal, CHS, they're back in the same position they were before this all started. So they're fine. But if you have a situation where you pay wages, W-2 wages on your farm, and you do business with a co-op, you could undermine the 20% pass-through deduction that was given to you in the bill in December that applies to everybody in the country. So you could end up only getting 11% based compared to everybody else's 20% because you do business with a co-op. So now in those rare circumstances, which is probably 5%, those people will have to do business with private in order to get the 20%. So and I went to Brady and told them, I said, this language is wrong, and I gave it to them. They came back to me and said, we think you're wrong. And a co-op attorney argued with me that I was wrong. They almost had me convinced. This is the day the bill came to the floor. So I get a email from Dorsey Whitney, which is the biggest law firm dealing with co-ops, confirming that I was right. And so now the law, 95% fixed, but be careful. So if you're a farmer that pays wages and does business with a co-op, make sure you talk to your CPA before you do anything, because you could get screwed.
So is there going to be some effort to fix this problem?
I don't know how you can do it at this point. I mean, we tried to fix it, and I told Brady what to do to fix it, and he wouldn't listen to me. So, I mean, I don't. I think the private people are going to oppose trying to fix it because they're going to be afraid it's going to go back the other way again.
Cure might be worse than the disease from
Could
their
be.
perspective.